Official first look of OnePlus 6. OnePlus is building hype around the upcoming OnePlus 6 flagship by continuously teasing on its features. In the previous week, OnePlus CEO had revealed an image that showed a small portion of the node display of the OnePlus 6. Also, the design of the rear panel of the phone was revealed by the leaked photo that was shared by the popular leakster Evan Blass. A fresh photo of the alleged OnePlus 6 smartphone has appeared today. In fact, it is the very first image of the OnePlus 6 that gives a good look at the front design of the phone. The leaked image shows that except for the slightly thick bottom bezels of the phone, the display is surrounded by thin sized bezels. Law has recently confirmed that the company will providing a software solution to hide the notch. The AID64 system information app that is running on the phone confirms that the handset is fueled by a Snapdragon 845. OnePlus has recently confirmed that the phone would be featuring 8 GB of RAM and a native storage of 256 GB. Also, the handset will be delivering full screen gestures for smooth navigation experience on OnePlus 6. The app does not reveal any information on the other specs of the phone. However, it is speculated to feature the same notch-enabled 6.28-inch Full HD Plus resolution sporting display that is available on the Oppo R15 Duo. Since there is no fingerprint sensor on the front side of the phone, it is likely to positions on the back panel. The handset will come equipped with a 3.5mm audio jack. The OnePlus 6 was initially expected to debut in June. However, since the company is now consistently teasing on the features of OnePlus 6, it seems that it may get announced at the end of this month. What do you think about the front design of the OnePlus 6? Share us your views by posting your comments below.